first.
How you doing today? This is Chris again over here at J-Tech, and I'm about to perform a vacuum test. You use vacuum tests so you can assess the mechanical condition of the engine. You know, that's one of the first tests you should do if you're having like problems, maybe like pulling off, or engine may be stalling, or different scenarios to where it can eliminate a lot of work you have to do if you just start off with the vacuum test instead of going other places and just switching parts out here and there. When you do the vacuum test, you want to find a good place to hook your hose up to, which usually has to do something with manifold vacuum, which is normally always behind the butterfly, the throttle plate. You can also hook it up to the hose at the brake booster. Usually good readings are from 15 to 21 Hg inches of mercury. So on your gauge, you'll want it to stay at between 15 and 21. Also, if the gauge doesn't hold at a certain number, it oscillates back and forth or whatever, it could be a range of problems. It could be bad sealing somewhere, be a problem with the combustion chamber, the head gasket, the valves not seating correctly, pistons could be worn or broken, you know what I'm saying, it's not holding the compression in. So what I'm about to do is perform a vacuum test on my car to see if it's holding correctly. Alright, so now I got the gauge hooked up, the car's running, and I got it hooked up to my manifold. Coming right here. And let me show you, always hook it up behind the throttle plate where the manifold vacuum comes from. Got my hose coming from here all the way around here. This is the hose I'm gonna do. See, it's holding at a good 17, so that's pretty good. That's kind of in range of what we want. All right, go ahead. All right, see, snap the throttle. It goes to 0, and it went back to 20. So that's pretty good. All right, thanks. That's the vacuum test.